Good morning, students. Today we will study class 7, chapter number 12. In our last class, we have completed chapter number 11. Now the chapter number 12 is your simple interest. First of all, we will take the quick revision of simple interest. That what is your simple interest? Simple interest आखिर होता क्या है? In this chapter, we have to study about the principal. After that, interest. Then your amount, principal, interest, amount, rate, then your simple interest. In short form you can say SI. okay, simple interest को हम SI कहते हैं. principal P, interest I, amount A, rate R, and simple interest will be your SI. What is your principal? The money borrowed is called the principal or the sum. The money borrowed is called the principal or sum. After that, interest, the additional money paid by the borrower is called the interest. The additional money paid by borrower is called interest. Okay. After that, amount, the total money paid by borrower to the lender is called the amount. The total money paid by the borrower to the lender is called amount. After that, rate, the interest or for rupees 100 for 1 year is known as the rate percent. The interest for 1 year is called rate percent. After that, what is your simple interest? If the interest is calculated uniformly on the original price throughout the loan period is called your simple interest. First of all, we will talk about the principal. What is principal? Suppose that you are taking money from anyone or you are taking money from a bank. Simply we will discuss about the bank. अगर आपने कोई भी amount बैंक से लिया, after that let me take a small example. You have borrowed 100 rupees. आपने अपने फ्रेंड से 100 रुपीज आपने अपने फ्रेंड से लिए. ओके, दिस 100 रुपीज आपने अपने फ्रेंड से 100 रुपीज बोरो किए हैं, लिए हैं. तो देने वाला क्या होता है? बोरोवर. लेने वाला क्या होता है? बोरोवर. और लेंडर कौन होता है? देने वाला. सपोज दैट मोहन एंड राम, these two are best friend, and मोहन have an emergency of rupees 100. मोहन को emergency है rupees 100 की. तो मोहन had borrowed money from Ram. Then मोहन is borrower and Ram will be your lender because Ram is giving money. Okay, मोहन ने राम से 100 rupees ले लिए. After that will be a principal, your amount, कि आपने उससे कितने रुपए लिए हैं? 100 रुपीज यू हैव बोरोड फ्रॉम, मोहन हैज बोरोड फ्रॉम राम. आफ्टर दैट, इंटरेस्ट, द एडिशनल मनी पेड बाय बोरोवर इज कॉल्ड इंटरेस्ट. आफ्टर दैट, मोहन हैज टेकन 100 रुपीज एंड ही इज पेइंग राम टू 110 रुपीज. तो उसने क्या किया? 10 रुपीज एक्स्ट्रा दिए. 10 रुपीज एक्स्ट्रा है, 10 रुपीज एक्स्ट्रा दिए मोहन ने राम को बिकॉज ही हैज टेकन 100 रुपीज एंड आफ्टर दैट व्हेन ही इज गिविंग अमाउंट टू विद इंटरेस्ट, उसने उसके ऊपर क्या लगाया? 10 रुपीज का इंटरेस्ट लगाया. आफ्टर दैट अमाउंट, द टोटल मनी पेड बाय बोरोवर टू द लेंडर इज कॉल्ड अमाउंट. Mohan has paid 110 rupees. The total money, लिए कितने थे उसने? How much money did he take? He take 100 rupees and he is giving 110 rupees. Then it will be your amount. After that rate, the interest for 1 year, or you can say more than 1 year, 1.5 year, for 6 months, for 1 month, for the, it will be decided by the lender ki how much interest he is taking. Then the interest for 1 year is called rate percent. Okay, simple interest I have told you. Now let's come to exercise, and before doing any question we have to take the quick revision of we have to study about the formula which we are using in this chapter. The formula which we are using in this chapter is simple interest, SI, equals to principal into rate into time upon 100. Okay, this formula you have to use. SI equals to P into R into T upon 100. And if you have to find the principal, then the formula is P equals to 100 into SI upon R into T. Then second one, if you have to find the rate equals to 100 into SI upon P into T. And if you want to find time, then T equals to 100 into SI upon P into R. These 1, 2, 3 and 4, these, if you are able to learn this formula, SI equals to P into R into T upon 100, then you can find principal also, rate also, time also, and simple interest also. Now let's come to first question of this exercise, exercise 12A. Exercise 12A, the first question is given in exercise 12A. Exercise 12A. The first question is principal equals to, first question is P equals to rupees 6,400. After that, rate equals to 6% per annum, means 1 year, PA. Then time equals to your 2 years. This is the, then P into R into T upon 100. After that, principal is 6,400, rate is 6% per annum, means per year. After that, time is given to you 2 years. Now what you have to find? You have to find the simple interest. Simple interest equals to, you have to find the simple interest and amount. What you have to find? Simple interest and amount. SI equals to P into R into T upon 100, means 6,400 multiplied by rate is your 6 and time is your 2 years upon 100. 64 multiplied by 6 into multiplied by 2 upon 100. 1, 2, 1, 2. Cancel. Then 64 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 2. It will be your rupees 768. Now what you have to find? You have to find amount. Amount equals to प्रिंसिपल प्लस SI. अमाउंट का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? प्रिंसिपल और SI को हम प्लस करेंगे. 6,400 प्लस SI will be your 768. Now plus it, 7,168 rupees. Amount will be your, amount equals to rupees 7,600. This is your answer. Now let's come to second question. The second question in this exercise is given. Second question is principal is given to you. Second question, principal equals to rupees 2,650, rate equals to 8% per annum, and time equals to 2 raised to 1 upon 2 year. Okay, time is your 2 raised to 1 upon 2 year. After that, 2 to the 4 and 1, 5 will be your 5 upon 2 year. Same process you have to do. SI equals to P into R into T upon 100. Principal is your 2,650, rate is your 8%, time is your 5 upon 2 upon 100. Okay, this is the so now what you have to do, 2650 multiply by 8 multiply by 5 upon 100 into 2. You have to solve this. When you will solve this, your answer will be rupees 530. Now amount equals to principal plus SI. Okay, principal is your 2650, SI is your 530. Your answer will be 3180 rupees. This is your answer. Amount will be 3180 rupees. Now what you have to do, you have to do question number 3, 4 and 5 in exercise 12a. Exercise 12a, question number 3, 4 and 5. This is the homework. Question number 3, 4, 5 you have to do now. We will discuss rest of the question in our next class. Thank you and have a nice day.